welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cast and Lives. I'm your life, beautiful, beautiful, entertainer. Hello, legit, Mr. Jaminati. I know I didn't know about a episode. Choosing a place that everyone of the inside. Take a look at my beshu and one alintili jack. One of my beshu. Ha! My beshu, my pie. Mad flaps for days. Guys, la gopela sala ke tloga ga e frozen ga nyele ke kwara past 3 ara ke fitlile mo Kutja works. Let's go and do this. Yeah guys, so I'm here and they say we're going to take some car to Dyno, so let's check Mayo banana back to life. We're gonna take it to Dyno and after that we'll see what goes on. Casual's back, back I get, Casual's back, Casual's back, Casual's back, Casual's back. Casual's back, back I get, Casual's back, back I get. Mayo is back, 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 Mayo is back. Mayo wa banana. New terminal, new batteries. Oh, little tea-table, I know it does. Ethanol read. Kim Mayo wa banana. Mayo is back. Back again. Mayo is back. I don't even remember this. So they've painted the bonnet. Mayo banana is refusing to die. They say from here we're going to Dyno. Remember the engine inside Mayo banana went into Kutja's monster. So now, what's this? Hey, they give it a rebirth. Man. You hang around with hubs. Never you're afraid of stripping. You can't hang around with hubs. You can't. You just can't. Mayo banana. What's this now? It's for the biggie. I don't know. So let's see which engine is Mayo running. Multivitamin. Oh, what can this bonnet wants to open until where? Oh, what? So I have to hold it. Yeah. Multi. Yeah, but Kutja's work is clean, recommendable, and best. Feel recommendable and best. Fan in, engine. Look at this intake going all the way. Where's the generator key? Well, they made a bracket for it down there and adjusted it nicely, so they are sorted. Hey, look at the injectors. They look very new. Injectors look very new. So you must tell us what they cooked in here, in this multi-vitamin. Ke pipe ye pipe ye silver. Ya petrol. Pipe ya toilet ka mo pipe ya petrol. Goes into the car. Kia petrol. Because it goes to the injectors. Where else would it go? What's this? I had this in my 16 valve. And only my ABS was able to operate it. I just don't remember clearly what its job was. Kutja. Out on the streets, we're so busy. But I knew that Kutja would come up with something nice. There's no way he could just let that nice, powerful engine of his go, and then he's left with nothing. I knew. I knew he was preparing something. Now look. When we say a person is ready, right? Ethanol check. I don't know what that is. What's that? Filter. Yeah, that yeah, you see that thing is going to the filter. See? Filter check. The rest of the car check. So Adamanu ready. He's going to kill. We're gonna go to Dyno. And after Dyno, it's gonna be lit. But one thing about Kutja, when his cars are at Dyno, he doesn't want figures to be exposed. So you'll only see 2 minutes of Dyno. You'll only see 2 minutes of Dyno, and then we are off. Let me get him and we go to Dyno. And remember, this is not a drive car. You won't see action like that green car on the road. This is not a drive car, so it's gonna be on trailer to Dyno, and then after back. I hope you understand. Let's go to Dyno. Yeah, let's go to Dyno. Dyno. Yeah, guys, we're gonna give you a bit of action, but unfortunately we can't because we are back from Dyno and we wanted to give you action, but we can't because there's been a complaint. People around this area have been complaining that there's a lot of spinning going on, so that's why now they're at this spot. So it can never be Kutja spinning here. So guys, cars will not be tested here. Yeah. What will happen is that it will be tested there by Dyno and we will test it some other time somewhere. But we'll just try. We know. But the testing was for you guys to see that let's say about which does this thing. So oh, little dia something. Oh, sure. Oh, when I'm so sure, when all sure. Kutja actually ke sa yo trauma mo lena se ga le ke fitlhe
gona to trauma content
ke gona re wa Dyno
o to Dyno
re will Dyno so
why not in
yeah guys, I guess you've seen that Mayo is alive, so whenever you see it, know that it's alive. That is all we have for this episode of Cast and Class. I mean, that's good for me, for us to the entertainer. Well, let's do some Jimunat. Nkupi signing out. Papa. Nagiaga, na get charity. Then go. Go. I love you so much, my God.